Here's how to fix your request is pending error on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram and you go to follow somebody, but when you do that, it pops up with a screen that says something like this. Your request is pending. Some accounts prefer manually review followers, etc. Or it just might say it's pending and you need to wait a little bit. There are certain steps you can do to get this fixed. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is potentially this error is popping up because you've tried to follow too many accounts in a short time period. You can see the max follow limit is 7,500 people. And for established accounts, the limit is 100 to 200 follows per day. And new accounts is 50 to 100 accounts per day that you're allowed to follow. If you're exceeding that, it might give you this error message. You might just need to wait until the next day or a couple days from now, and then you'll be able to follow them. However, if that's not the issue for you, or if you wanted to just double check to see if there's an issue with your account, we can always check the account status on your account on Instagram. So tap on the profile at the very bottom right, and then tap on those three lines at the very top right. Now that you're in the settings, all you need to do is scroll down, and we're looking for an option that says what your account status is. So under more info and support, there's account status, and you'll be able to see if there's any issues and specifically features you can't use. If you tap on this and it says there are certain features you can't use, like following people or having other people follow you, then that's a limitation on your account. A lot of times, if there is an issue with your community guidelines or any violations, you can always just tap on it from here and you can go through the process of reviewing that or appealing it to hopefully get that violation overturned, and you'll be able to start following accounts again.